welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Tasha and I'm sorry my makeup is a little fallen off. It is the end of the day, really. This has been on for probably, I don't know, 7 or 8 hours. It's not like super bad, but like it's coming off my nose a little bit, my chin, because I ate, and my lip stick has been gone forever. But I wanted to film this video. I was so shocked to receive this today. I actually thought my husband might have ordered something when I saw FedEx outside, because I never get anything from FedEx. I always have something come in and it's always UPS. So I got this sent to me today. So I actually have looked at everything that's in here. Sorry, I couldn't help it. I filmed like me opening on my Instagram though. But I thought I would do a video and show off what I got. So this is what the inside of the box looks like. There's all the goodies. It did have a paper wrapping around it that said limited release, so I don't know if these products are limited release or if it was just this like box is limited release. I don't know what that means. So the first thing I'm pulling out is this glitter kit. It says hashtag glitter goals. It looks like it comes with a glitter primer in 3 glitter shades: crystal, black, and emerald. It shows that the lips are X'd out. It says face and body. I don't see anything that says don't use it on the eye, so that's where I'll be using it. Next thing I got is a brush. It is the 06 brush. It is for flawless application. It's supposed to have like no streaks or anything. So it feels super soft. Can't wait to try this out. So I got a NYX Butter Gloss in the shade Cream Brulee. I actually have this shade, but it is one of my favorites. So I think I'm going to keep this one and put it in a giveaway. Just because I love it so much, but I've already had it, so why not give it to somebody that hasn't tried it. So I'm super excited to try this out. It is called Honey Do Me Up. This is a face primer. I did read online that it's supposed to help with discoloration and redness, which I have lots of, so very excited to try that. Okay, I got a small version of, a small bottle of their Dewy Finish setting spray. So I don't think I've tried this before. I think I've tried their other one that was in all black bottle, so it's probably more of like a matte finish. But I've been doing a lot of dewy looks lately because my skin's been a little bit more dry in some places, so excited to try that out. I have not tried their concealers. I got 2 HD photogenic concealers. Okay, one is in 05 medium and the other one is in 03 light. Okay, I absolutely love their Wonder Sticks. I did get this one, which is the universal one, and then I have one for medium tan. So I have 2 of these. I absolutely love them. They work so well. I don't know if I've tried the universal one before though. I think I tried, I know it wasn't the tan one, but I don't remember it being called universal. But I'm not very tan. I'm not very tan right now, so this is the one that I will be trying. I got 2 micro brow pencils, one in brunette and one in espresso. I have their, don't break it, the HD finishing powder. I've never tried this one either. Another one I am very excited to try because, like I said, I've never tried it before. Okay, I got a matte lip liner. It says suede. Next, it says NYX Suede matte lip liner in the shade Brooklyn Thorn. Kind of a darker shade, but nonetheless, so excited to try it. I don't have that many lip liners and pencils, so that is super welcome. I really do enjoy the NYX Lingerie liquid lips. I have one in Exotic and one in Bustier, and then this one is in Push Up, so I have not tried this one yet. I'm excited to try that one. I also haven't tried any of their suedes. This is the NYX Liquid Suede cream lipstick in the shade Kitten Heels. So it is a red color. If you know me, you know I love my reds. I got the NYX Ultimate Multi-Finish Shadow Palette in Electric. It comes with 4 columns, 3 rows down, and it seems to be from what I can tell, let me open it up. Yeah, so basically it's the same colors going down, but what we have is a more matte color, and then the middle is like a semi shimmer, and then the bottom is like very shimmery. So that's pretty cool, and I like that they are bright colors because I don't have that many fun shadows, so this will be super fun to play around with. And then the last thing I got is another palette in Smoky and Highlight. So then here are these shades. Super excited to play around with all of this. Once again, thank you so much, Nyx. Hold on, Axton.
Yes.
Alright, hold on. Like I said, I can't wait to play around with all of this. I'm super excited, super grateful. So yeah, that is the end of this video. Let me know if you guys like this kind of video where I'm unboxing and showing off products that I've gotten. Let me know if you have any of this stuff that I've shown, what you think about it. If you like this content, make sure you smash that like button. If you haven't already, click the subscribe while you're down there. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye!
Got off all of your hair. Did you flinch? Did you care? Did he look? Did he stop?